guy from America, another YouTuber, Rules for Rebels, told me I should do this video, how to change gears on a motorcycle. And I think that's a good topic, because a lot of people always ask me that, like when they come around to my house and see the bike, they were like, oh, sit on it and be like, how do you change the gears and all that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd make a little video. If you can see, there is the gear shift. This side here is the back brake. This is the clutch here, and that is the front brake. If this side here is the front brake and that side is the clutch, same as in a car, you pull the clutch in. Well, it's different in the car actually, because in a car you push the clutch in. On a motorbike you pull it in, and then to put it into gear, first gear is down, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to change the gear. So first you go down into first, and then you go up. So we've got the clutch in, we're going to put it into first gear, let the clutch out, give it a bit of gas, like you do in a car, and then just change it when you know the revs start to get high. You change it, put the clutch in, push it up into third, into fourth, into fifth, and then to change down, you just put the clutch in again, obviously, and keep going down until you get to the gear that you want to get into. And to get back into neutral, you slow right down, obviously. So I've gone down right into first. Make sure you're in first by trying to hit it and it won't go down, trying to push it down and it won't go into gear again, and then you kind of push it up until it's hard to explain until you feel it go into neutral. It's kind of like halfway bit in between first and second, and also you can tell by your motorcycle should have a light or something with the end that shows that you're in neutral, and if you start to let the clutch out it won't move, so you know you're in neutral. So yeah, that's pretty much how you change gear on a motorcycle. The brake, you can use, it's recommended that you use both the front and back brake at the same time. And that's what I try to do most of the time.